Hello, and congratulations on taking the next step in your recovery. Your surgeon has prescribed a walker to help protect your healing limb and provide stability after the surgery. In this video, I'll review how to use your walker safely so you can move with confidence and reduce your risk of falls. Before you begin, make sure your walker is adjusted properly. When standing inside the walker, your hands should rest comfortably on the handles with your elbows slightly bent, about 15 to 30 degrees. Stand upright inside the walker, not behind it. Wear supportive closed-toed shoes and clear your home of loose rugs, clutter, or wet surfaces. When walking, follow the same sequence each time. First, move the walker forward a small step. Make sure all four legs or wheels are firmly on the ground. Next, step forward with your surgical or weaker leg into the center of the walker frame, following your weight-bearing precautions. Non-weight bearing. Keep the surgical leg off the ground and support yourself through your arms. Toe touch weight bearing. Rest the toes lightly for balance only. Partial weight bearing. Place only the allowed amount of weight through that leg. Weight bearing is tolerated. Use the walker to offload as needed for comfort. Then bring your stronger leg forward to meet the surgical leg. Do not step past the front of the walker and avoid leaning too far forward. To sit, back up until you feel the chair behind you. Reach back for the chair with one hand while keeping the other hand on the walker and lower yourself slowly. To stand, push up from the chair first, never pull up on the walker, then place your hands on the handles once steady. Standard walkers should not be used on stairs. Speak with your physical therapist if stairs are part of your home setup. If you have any questions about stairs or safety at home, your physical therapist can guide you. You will also be provided a tailored home exercise program that can be performed until you're fully transitioned into the physical therapy clinic. Move slowly and mindfully during the first few weeks. If you experience any increased pain, dizziness, or instability, stop and rest. To schedule physical therapy or speak with our team, please call 305-689-5635. We're here to support your recovery every step of the way.